Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I'm going to introducing my scan tool. I bought this one years ago and I use day to day base and I'm still using this scan tool. So I thought I'm going to do review for this tool because if you in a mobile field or if you running your own garage or if someone doing professional DIY jobs, should be this video helpful for you. Basically, I bought this one years ago and I spent 2.5 grand, basically 2500, and this is not for UK because launch divide UK launch and global. Basically this is for global. Then I'll let you know end of the video what's the benefit I get from there and what's the disadvantage for this tool. Yeah, it came with 3 boxes when I bought. First I'll leave it for the your side because this is, you can see, non 16 pin adapters. Basically this is very useful because some cars not standard adapter. Basically it's come with separated adapters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and also inside another couple of adapters. It's very good because some old cars not like a square pin, 16 pin, round pin, little bit different shape. Some Asian cars little bit different shape. Because of that this box very useful. I use for the old BMW just couple of time for the past year. Apart of that, it's not very useful, but it's handy to come with the complete unit, then we can keep it. I got the another box, bit heavy, handy. We'll see what is in there. Right, this one I never used, but if someone in key programming field, this is very useful. But to be honest, I don't know how to use it. It's still like a after year, like brand new. I never use, but to be honest, I don't have an answer for this one. But I feeling good, reasonable weight, nice finishing. Yeah, and charging and couple of things. But to be honest, I'm not sure. There is a manual and some bits and pits. Yeah, if someone have a knowledge, they know how to use this tool because this is not my covering area, but I got additional. If I start one day like this job, it's very useful. Right, this is the most useful tool day to day I am using. Might be I use over 500 cars, might be last year. Yeah, you can see what I mean already. This side, this lock missing because hardly I use every day, but trust me, very heavy. You can see my forearms. If I chuck it to someone, he will die on the spot. Yeah, very heavy. I'm very like to this casing because I'm doing mobile also well. When I go there, then I'm not worried to drop the box. So handy. I dropped many times. It's very handy to drop and very hard and solid. Yeah, okay, we'll see what is inside. Wow, see, this is the tool I like so much. Still with the cover, I left it as it is. Yeah, and also it came nice handy big screen. I'll switch on for you. Yeah, big screen, big letters. We can see anytime, anywhere, even the night. And also it came with nice and handy rubber cover. Even in this side we can left it as it is, and we can see the screen. Also it has a nice grip. When you work like that, it's very solid. So I'll take into the car and I'll show you what's going on here. Okay, right, this is another very valuable tool. These days many cars has a warning light at the dashboard for the tire or tire pressure. We call TPMS warning. There is a like a something like that orange color. It's basically people say, oh, my tire pressure low, or something not right, my tires always this light illuminate. Yeah, this is the handy one. You can check the 4 tires, check the pressure, then it's communicate with the computer. Then after that we can easily do the repair, and easily we can program or relearn the values for the sensor. This one also I use many times, very handy, very useful, quicker action. Some old machines little bit sludge, you know, the slow, but very fast, very value. This is another useful thing. You know what, this one we can plug into the car inside the socket. Then after that I can work around with this one. I can go here, there, or sometime plug in there. I can check the engine bay, and same time I can checking my data, whatever I needed. That's one also very useful. I very like to that one. So I done the repair. This car came. This is Peugeot 2021 model. Basically came with AdBlue problem. Then I'll use this computer and I'll sort out. If you deal with AdBlue system, Peugeot, Citroen, DPF system, even if you work with Mercedes, this is very useful, very fast. To be honest, I cover my all spend money within 1 year. That's why I'm doing today review for this item. Yeah, it's you can the your USB charging. Yeah, that's one also handy. It came with the manual. Yeah, it's very good for the pricing, but little bit disappointed. First thing, this global version we can't get any support. Basically we couldn't get online in support, UK. But while I look the eBay sellers review and everything, I'm happy. But unfortunately they said online programming system they are, but however when I going to try, they are not as much fast if someone in the UK. Because of that, after that I bought my hotel computer for the online supporting and online programming. That's little bit disadvantage. I'm not happy. Basically we can't get fast reaction from their side. Basically when I inquire today, might be answer will get after 3-4 days. Then I couldn't hang around until like that period. That's one little bit no from me. And also some codings, it's not good as we thinking. Depend on your working areas, because sometime I'm trying to coding ECU, sometime ABS pump. It's not good as we think like other tools, because especially I'm specialized for the Mercedes system, AdBlue, DPF. This one I can say 90% okay, but not like a Centriflash or like that softwares. We need a little bit more advanced tool, but however what I paid, I am happy. This one doing like a 90% coverage. Also, if someone work with the Asian cars in a UK or American cars, but Launch UK not good for the Asian cars. If you work with the Asian cars, this is the good tool. Then we can work with many Asian cars, because this design work for the UK branded and Europe branded and also Asian branded. That's a plus sign. And also this one came with the 2-year warranty. That's another good thingy. And also after 2 years, when you're going to extend your period, you have to pay half value of the price. Then that's one not good. I saw it's like a 1500 something. Then better to, when once you complete 2 years, better to go with another upgrade tool. No point to upgrade same tool. This is the way I like to work. See, yeah, very steady and very firm. So this is the car. I'll sort out AdBlue problem and DPF problem. This Launch 431 Pro Max doing the good job. I'm very happy here. If you have idea to buy like this tool, this is the time you can spend, because after year I can say confidence answer, yes, this is very good for your investment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get lot of useful review like that. See you with the next video.